Hey, what's up, everybody? Today is the day that I'm going to invest into Fox Trading's trading pool, which is a project. This feature I have been waiting for a very long time, and I'm very excited to share this with you, like doing this guide to you together with you, the step by step on investing into the trading pool. But today, this is the ICO release, meaning if you're invested in the ICO or whatsoever, you are able to um use this feature, you are able to invest into the trading pool right now, and after that, basically, one day earlier than everybody. So let's get started. If you are not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, hit on post notification, and leave the thumbs up to this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm. And of course, if you do not know what is Fox Trading, I have a video. I've made a video previously talking about it. You can click. It's gonna pop up above, so you can click on it and you will understand what is it about. So let's get started. So click on start now. Yes, you of course please read through everything down here, but I'm just doing a video, so I'm just going to do it quickly. So you need to add the wallet where the following step focus the deposit. So you have to add your wallet where you will send your Ethereum and the Fox token. So let's get started. So the Ethereum wallet, which wallet am I using? Basically, I'm going to use my Trezor, which has some Ethereum and Foxy token on it. So I'm going to click on save. So they are configuring the thingy. So this is my first time doing this progress. Therefore, yeah, very excited to share it with you guys. And if you guys are interested in this token, in this project, this trading pool project, you can use my referral link down below and sign up. And from there, um, before you get into the trading pool, you need to have this Foxy token, which is now at this price. So yeah, let's get started. So the investment, uh how many guests do I have? I do have this amount. I'm not sure how much do I have. So how much am I going to invest in? With the slider. So basically, this is just telling you how much commission you are going to pay or whatsoever. So not a big deal. So just click on next. So they asked me to send my Foxy over here to this address. So uh, I'm gonna send all my Foxy over. So the Fox token. So over here, I'm gonna enter the entire balance to the address over here. So would like to copy from here again. So do a copy. From there, do a Control F and V, paste, and up. It is same. So let's get started. Send the transaction. Yep, Trezor is gonna pop up many things, and I'm gonna need to click on this or that and unknown token value. Yep, hold to confirm. So confirm and send. Check the status. So it's pending. Wow, it's gonna take 41 minutes. Didn't know the gas price was. Didn't check the gas price, so it's by mistake on the end. So just click on next and send Ethereum to this address. From the above, transfer blah blah blah. So use this. So I'm gonna copy. And before sending, I have to wait for the transaction to be completed over here. Therefore, I'm unable to send out anything until this transaction here is confirmed. Okay. So can I edit it? Nope. Can't really edit it. So basically Ethereum. So the minimum to invest it is how much is it again? 500. Where is it? Uh Maximum I can is 2000. So the minimum will be 500. So if I have 3 Ethereum, if I'm going to invest in 3 Ethereum times 160, it's going to be like this. So I need to invest a little more, like maybe 3.3 Ethereum. On my side, I have to invest like around 3 point, I will just be safe 3.4. So it's still loading over here. Sorry guys for doing this such a long transaction over here. So I'm gonna change it to 5. I'll try changing it entire, edit 5, send. So basically I have to wait for this to get executed, then this will be confirmed. That's why this is bad. Hopefully this run out of gas limit and it's gonna cancel the transaction. Hopefully so. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is transfer Ethereum around 3.4. Where's the address to send to? This address. So this address over here, and after that send transaction. It's gonna take a while. Very sorry about this mistake. If you want, you can skip it to the front. Maybe I don't know, a few seconds in front slowly just by skipping it. So as you can see, there's 3 pending transaction over here. Therefore, this transaction over here must be executed first. Then I am able to see the other transaction be executed. So this is the trading pool over here. So the user valve. So whatever I deposit into this thing is going to appear over here. So yeah, as you can see, minimum invest is 450. Yep, okay. So as you can see, the pool starts in this amount of time. Yep, it is quite cool. Gas price, current fee, whatsoever. This is the dashboard over here. Once you alright, so this is already executed. So let's go back. Oh my god, out of gas. So I'm gonna send again 3 Ethereum. Let's do with 3 Ethereum. 450, right? So 3 times 140, 160. Yep. So I'm gonna do 3 Ethereum transaction. I'm gonna invest 3 Ethereum into this trading pool, and using the fees. The fees that you're gonna pay with is the FOXT tokens, which is sent over here, which is going to be over here, gonna be filled over here. That's why it is still loading. So I'm gonna hit a refresh. Yep, as you can see, the FOXT token is already been deposited and the status is still loading. So around maybe 30 confirmation or so. So as you can see, Ethereum has been sent. So did I send to the correct address? Oh my god, I did not even double check, I just sent it. That's why. Yep, it's the correct address provided by them. Was it the correct one? If it's not, fuck. Oh, yep, it's correct. So the address. So if you click on deposit, kindly double check, triple check everything before sending out anything. I'm lucky that I did not make a mistake, but yeah, basically if you're sending out anything, please check. So as you can see, the status loading is gonna be quite slow. Therefore, we can talk about the market right now. So as you can see, the market is doing quite well for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is pumping up, and as you can see, it is going up and upwards to the moon, and hopefully this continues for a while, and after that, yeah, something bad is gonna happen. Every time it goes up and crash, and after that it will go higher, even stronger. And as you can see, for Binance Coin, it is having the highest gains, I would say. So as you can see, 8%. Yep, Binance is the highest coin. I mean the highest gainer for today, and do not know what's the reason or whatsoever, but There is also some new coins heading to the top 30 like this Cosmos over here. It's quite a new coin and I have not researched on it or whatsoever, but I can see many coins coming up and the market is somehow doing well for some coin and some is doing badly. So yeah, still loading. So it's somehow very slow. I think I have to wait for 30. Very slow, do not know why. And for the Ethereum, I have not, yep, alright, so as you can see, if transaction deposit plus 3 Ethereum still on status pending. So on my this the FOXT transaction, it is showing that it's already successful and uh it has been sent in. So as you can see the gas over here, I am able to invest up to $1,000 worth of Ethereum with this amount of FOXT token being sent into this platform. So as you can see, you have to load. Hopefully the Ethereum one will get confirmed. So not yet. So as you can see over here, waiting for Ethereum to get confirmed. So let's check it out. So I would say around 15 blocks it will get confirmed on the platform itself, and hopefully it goes faster. Sorry guys, this is a long video because as you all know, the Ethereum network, it is to be secure you need to have much more confirmation before crediting something to whatsoever. So if you are doing shopping or selling stuff, same thing. This is the fact that you have to deal with. Draw. Nope, just checking it out. So then it's 14th confirmation already. So hit the refresh again. Still confirming. So manage wallet. This is going to be on the So as you can see, the balance is already showing. My balance is over here equivalent to 3 Ethereum. So as you can see, the status is confirmed. So I'm gonna do the thing that I need to do right now. It is to transfer the funds from my Valve to this user pool. So transfer, and I'm going to move everything. Move everything here. So as you can see, oh my god, this sucks. So I'm gonna select everything, and from there I'm gonna click on move. The request of this fund is transfer has been requested, and it's gonna pop up over here on my investment shortly. And of course, the dividends for this pool, it is gonna be given out every 30 days, and the commission is gonna be the commission fees that's gonna be deducted is using the FOXT over here. So you need to have FOXT to keep this trading pool going. If you, let's say, you invest $1,000, you need to have around 5,000 over here, so 5,000 over worth of FOXT to invest. Therefore, yeah, it will be better for you to have some FOXT token if you can buy it right now, and after that from there deposit in, then you prepare your Ethereum to send it over to this trading pool. Therefore, yep, so this is how does the whole investment work. So the dashboard is over here, the user pool, it is still loading, my request is still doing. So amount pending to be invested will be invested the next 30 days period of the pool. So I think I have to wait for, I don't know, maybe the count timer to strike 0, and from there my investment will be credited into this investment account, and from there you can see the unshared profit or whatsoever, which is kind of cool. And this is the this product over here, which I'm waiting for a very long time, because honestly for auto trading, it is very simple to set up and whatsoever, but you need to have Ethereum, US Tether, or whatsoever coin that let's say you're going to trade with. Therefore, as you can see the pairs over here, you need to have each of it. Let's say if you are doing Bitcoin to US Tether, you must have at least let's say 0.1 Bitcoin, or let's say $100 worth of Bitcoin and $100 worth of US Tether on, let's say if you are doing it on Binance and all these kind of exchange. Let's say you are enabling to exchange Binance and OKX, you need to have at least $100 worth of Bitcoin on Binance and OKX and Tether on OKX and Binance. Therefore, you need to put your funds into these two, and of course, hopefully these two might have a chance for you to have arbitraging arbitrate profit or whatsoever. So it's gonna do an auto thingy that's gonna withdraw the money. It's gonna execute orders, buy from Binance, sell at OKX. But to be honest, you need to have funds over there before you get started. But for the trading pool, it's very simple. How do you get started? Basically, you need to have the FOXT token and some Ethereum, and after that you're good to go. And after that, from there, you're just basically waiting for your profit every 30 days. And of course, there's an auto reinvest feature over here. You can reinvest 30% or whatsoever. So set up the profit percent that you wish to automatically reinvest at the end of the month. So remember that your pool invested is being fueled by Fox. Therefore, if you're reinvesting, you may need to deposit more FOXT. Therefore, if you are going to invest, do a 100% reinvestment or whatsoever, I would not suggest that. But for me, seeing this thing over here, the investment strategy that I can think about, it is doing an auto reinvest of 25%, and after that, from there, the profit being generated from this investment, I would maybe take, like, let's say 30% of it to reinvest it in buying Foxy token. Therefore, I am reinvesting the whole thing is maybe like 25% to buy Foxy. So auto reinvest 25%, and another 25% is going to be that you're going to use is to buy Foxy token to fill up this Fox gas over here. And after that, the remaining 50%, you can just leave it in your wallet, and basically that's your profit. And of course, you are able to get back your initial investment, meaning if you invested 3 Ethereum at the start like me, you are able to get back the money, just basically transfer funds, and after that, just cancel or whatsoever. Basically, there is no time limit that there's not a rule saying that once you invested, your money is gonna be on this thing forever and you can't withdraw back that money, because basically that is a scam. I would say that that kind of stuff is just basically a scam. But to be honest, they are legitimate business over here and a project. That's why you can deposit in. After the deposit, you are able to withdraw everything from the investment, uh, your initial investment, and from there you can get a profit or whatsoever. So it's kind of cool. And of course, hopefully you guys will stay tuned for more updates. So this is the end of the video. Hope you like the video. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification, and share with your friends and family if you are interested, if they are interested in trading or some quick gains. I would say not say quick gains, but some reliable project or opportunity out there. So yeah, that's the end of for this video. And I know the video is very long today, but honestly the video is long because of the transaction. Therefore, you can just skip or use the times 2 or whatsoever speed to watch the whole video throughout. So that's all for this video. Peace.